any search engine of your choice. Search for SGR, and on the first link here, Madaraka Express, click on it. The train type also is for the people who are within Nairobi, Express and inter-county. You could be coming from any other part of the country. Now for me, for the purpose of explanation, I'll choose Express. From which place? I'll choose Nairobi to Mombasa terminus. The departure date, departure time 3 p.m. train. Now for the first class, we have 128 seats that are still open, whilst for the economy we still have 792 seats which are open. Select on adults because I'm one, or if we are two, let me just select two. Okay, 2, 0 children. Watch type, am I going with economy or is it the first class? So if it is economy, it is 1,500 for one person, but if it is first class, it is 4,500, just as we have seen here. So if it is two people, it's a total of 9,000. So that is the departure date and that is arrival. So click on book train if you are satisfied with your selection. It will give you the information here you're supposed to fill in. I'll write my name, ID number, then I select my gender, it is male, nationality, Kenya. Then I go and fill in for the second person, female, nationality, Rwanda. Then after doing that, we come to the payment details here. You key in the mobile number, proceed to payment by clicking on that. So there is a confirmation summary here that will come for you to be able to confirm everything. Then after you are sure of every other thing that you have done, you just come and click here, pay now, and you receive some receipts